Hello YouTubers and welcome! In this tutorial I want to tell you about Export Persona in Affinity Designer. The Export Persona is a workspace for exporting artboards, layers and slices to different file formats and image sizes. I think it's very powerful persona and you have more control over each element that you export. You also can export custom drawn slices there. Today I'm going to talk about the export persona only and how we can use it easily in our projects. As an example, I have chosen a couple of buttons which I made for my game that I'm working on at the moment. Firstly, don't forget to name all your elements in Designer Persona. It is going to be easier to navigate through all your design elements in your project. Now let's go to the export persona and go to the layers. Just straight away, a very good thing there, in Affinity Designer you can create slices in one click. It is going to be a pixel perfect magic. Just choose some elements and go to the bottom right and click create slice button. As you can see, now a slice created on the left side. Let's create another slice. Also, you can create a slice differently as well. So let's click into Slices tab and let's go to the top left corner of this application and find Slice tool. Click on it or press S on your keyboard. The slice tools give you a full freedom to create export areas of all sizes over any part of your documents. Now let's move to our artboard with our design and create a slice. As you can see on the right side, a new slice appeared. The Slices panel stores all your slices that are ready for export directly from the panel. Let's go inside each slice now. You can see that each slice has initial export format set as a PNG. If you want different formats type, you can easily click here and add more formats such as JPEG, SVG or PNG. I will go ahead by choosing different formats for my buttons. We can go for JPEG over here. Also, each export format lets you export at different size scaling or absolute sizes. Let's see how we can do that here. Just simply click a plus button over here and choose any units which are relative to certain device. It's really useful for UI design. By the way, if you are creating an Apple icon specifically, you can go to the export preset over here and choose Apple Universal Icon. As you can see, it's automatically created different size scaling preset and even create an Xcode JSON. These all are going to be saved together in the separate folder. I think it is fantastic for UI designers. Moreover, I'm going to create a separate tutorial about UI design and icons. You can subscribe now so you don't miss that. Now moving on and let's see what we can do with our element names. Let's click on the name here and now we can see a pop-up where you can manage a slice name and scale suffix. Also, you can add a new component. Let's choose a square size, for example. Let's type test1 here, just to see where it's going to appear. Let's click done and you can see name became longer there. The next good thing is that you can export all of this if you will check mark for each slice. Or you can export a particular format by simply clicking here. And you can see a pop-up telling you to click to export this size. I'm not going to click on it now. You can experiment with all this stuff on your own. Just simply clicking here to save all or here to save a single size. Just in case, you also can export the entire documents page if you need it. You can do that in two ways, on the slice panel over here, or go to File, Export and choose any format there. And that's it for this export persona. I hope you like this tutorial and please do not forget to subscribe or just simply press thumbs up. Also, last time I had a quick review of all personas in Affinity Designer. If you came from Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or other application, these personas don't exist there. If you still don't know what personas mean in Affinity Designer, you can check the link below to watch a quick explanation. And have a lovely day and see you soon!